with network defense, there's a lot of good things that we need to pay attention to. Really, one of the things that we just did in the Nmap scan was show the different operating systems. So on your host, when we do a scan, it should come back and tell you what operating system that host was running. So in your tool, if you go in the details in that Nmap scan, you should be able to see whether it's Linux or Windows for the operating system. But also, we saw a bunch of different things that were available as well, like what ports are open. The ports are directly related to the rules that they have to follow, which are the protocols. Okay, so if something's running over port 80, that's going to be the port. The rule that it has to follow is HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, so each one of those you see if you're doing an enumeration of the network based off the scan that comes back. The different services that we see running, usually you can go in and check what things are available based off of the port or protocol that they're running. You remember that when we were scanning different nodes on the network, had port 80 open, and immediately that told me that a web server or a web service was running on that particular machine. So I knew that if we went out to a browser, we could go and check out that to make sure that it was a web server. And then using things like NetStat, if you recall earlier, you can actually go out and see the open connections on your machine. So if you do like a NetStat space -A, you can see all the open connections out on your machine. And anything that looks kind of bogus, you should probably think about ending that connection.